Here we are at Fort Pierce West
KOA.
KOA. There is two Fort Piers. There's one closer to the ocean and there's one on closer to the 95 freeway. So you got to make sure you're checking into the right location. Very welcome. Have a good one. We are at site C10. It's a fairly long site. So the truck is in the front, which is where I like it to be. And WandA's in the back. Left and right, perfectly level. It does look like we're pretty high in the front, but not enough for blocks. And low in the front, which is fine. The left and right is more important to me in regards to being level. And they are left and right level. The mosquitoes aren't too bad here right now, but we'll wait until dusk and dawn tomorrow. It's generally when they come out. And also, if you don't know, mosquitoes during the daytime, they live in the grass. So try to avoid contact with the grass area, and you should be okay. Water in, water out, 50 amps. So far the water is good. And we're doing laundry here, so we can't have the drum too full because of the humidity here in Florida. It doesn't dry the clothes as efficiently in low humidity states. And since this is high humidity states, we can't have the washer dryer too full of clothes. It just takes longer to dry. Okay, the car wash guy at St. Augustine, look at the shine on that Airstream. Even though it rained for 2 hours straight yesterday, it is shiny. Did a great job. So I highly recommend the guy at St. Augustine. Put his info again at this segment, this vlog. And the truck is also still gleaming. He did a fantastic job with detailing the inside, just the two front seats and the panel in the front, in between us. I've never seen it so clean. Okay, tonight I think we're having Red Lobster, since I was cleaning out the center panel. Found a whole bunch of gift cards. One was for Red Lobster, so we're gonna use up that gift card and again start laundry. This is gonna be a one-night stop. You have the keys? Ask for it inside.
No, the next stop. You didn't get your 10% discount. On a $6,000 stay, you didn't get your 10% discount.
Okay, here we are at Davie, Fort Lauderdale KOA. Never been here, so we have a pool. Here we are at Davie, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, KOA. So I have booked a premium patio site here, and it is very long patio that I never use. I only get the patio sites only because generally there's no trees, which is wonderful here. Starling is happy, and it's just a longer site. So that's the reason I do book patios. I do like this park only here at the patio area. The rest of the park, they are still working on. So the patio sites are nice. However, when you get to the back side of the park, they're still doing maintenance on something. The sites back there need to be worked on. I think they're trying to beautify the park, which is nice. At first, this big area was questionable, but right now I do like it because you can pull through and park. People have been parking their trucks there. People park their cars here, so it's a nice big open space. All right, we do have a little privacy fence here that's just been planted, it looks like it. Water in, water out, 50 amps. So there was thunder and lightning last night, and the power did not, I repeat, did not go out. So I do like that. Now, would I stay at this park again? Yes, I would stay at this park again. Okay, one of the reasons I would stay at this park again, there's a WandA gas station, and I love their coffee there. 6 miles away, there's a wonderful breakfast place called no, it's not Broken Yoke. Oh, I can't remember. Anyway, I've had breakfast there twice already, maybe 3 times tomorrow before I leave. There's and about 5 Filipino restaurants 6 miles from here. We're gonna have dinner in one of them.